boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar Joeboy collaboration with Qing Madi here with the song called Adenuga. We're gonna look at this 4-chord song, which goes in the same way through the entire song with the capo set here on the 4th fret. Alright, a lot of 4s here. 4 chords, capo on 4th, let's do this. So we have easy chords here, A minor, C, E minor, and D. Looking at A minor, it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then you easy go to C, you just release the second G and put it on the 3rd fret A instead, the same finger there. So it gives you C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, sorry for that bad sounding there, 2nd D, open G, first B, and open E. E minor next, alright, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the final D chord. So that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so the chords goes A minor C, E minor D in the same way as we learned them. So one string around, if we illustrate that with A minor, it goes, fits this song very well, very common pattern for these kinds of songs. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, down. Down, and then a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, down. A couple rounds of it to get the feeling here for the rhythm goes. And so on. You're gonna play 2 of these string rounds per chord in the same way as we learned them, like I said, A minor, C, E minor, D, from the beginning till the very end. And it goes like this. So that's it, guys. Adenuga, good luck with this one, and play tuned.